Okay, welcome to part 2. So I've basically put in the small radiator on a timer, and because basically I'm just not getting the temperature correctly in the house, and I'm very impressed with what I can see on the ground here in this box, and basically in the I'm seeing a lot of mating, which is quite impressive for me. That means, and over here, I can see mating going on. So, where are we? I think there's one there, coupling up. Yep, where? Are we seeing him yet? There. He's there. Yep, and there's also one couple right here. Right here. There's one couple right there was mating, and there's another couple right down there, right there, that's mating. Okay, because it's really hot in here, I can't even stand the temperature. And clearly this is what they like. Clearly there's lots of mating going on the ground there, so clearly the temperature has a lot to do with it. Obviously the light has a lot to do with it. They're crawling over on the cardboard boxes there, so it tells me that. But a lot of what's inside of this house is not at maturity as yet. So I'm kind of hoping that the ultimate environment that I've now been able to reach, which is like so tomorrow I'm going to put a thermometer in the room to just check the temperature that I'm catching in the room, so I know, okay, this is the perfect temperature, this is the environment what they like, because it's clearly that they just like it toasty, they love it toasty. That really encourages them to lay. So the light, the toast, obviously there's a box of grub there, all part of making the environment. The plants around it as well is trying to achieve like a natural outdoor environment, which I'm very pleased of the outcome. I need to give them something to drink, the BSF, so I'm gonna come back in and put some mist in the air, because I don't want them to dehydrate, like or die too early because the time is just too warm. But other than that, I'm just majorly impressed, really, with the outcome of what I have here.